Can you trust your commercial HVAC provider? If something sounds too good to be true, well, you know how the saying goes. One can apply this to pretty much anything, including the HVAC setup at your workplace. When it comes to proper maintenance of heating and cooling in your office, store, or restaurant, you want all issues handled by somebody who knows your system well and will work to ensure your comfort and safety, not necessarily to their gain. As consumers, we may be initially suspicious of special offers on maintenance and repair of large equipment, which is why it's important to research your options in choosing a commercial HVAC service. You definitely don't want to get ripped off. If you find yourself in the position of hiring a new company to take care of your air conditioning, heating, and duct repair, you'll want to carefully research your options. Referrals from other businesses help, but ultimately you want to work with a service that provides you with affordable, quality service, and emergency repair options where applicable. You may not be at the office 24 hours a day, but the integrity of your property must remain intact, as should the comfort and safety of your employees and customers. You may encounter a service that promises the moon, but you wonder if they'll actually deliver. It should come as no surprise that various companies will present offers to tantalize you into hiring them. It's important to watch for clues to determine whether or not the company you hire offers good work or is simply all talk. Some red flags you'll want to watch for include: 1. Service call fees. You may want to be mindful of companies that offer low-priced service calls. Experts in the HVAC industry may argue that this tactic is nothing more than a thinly veiled bait and switch. Offering a low-priced call up front may be designed to get you to make the call, leaving you vulnerable when you get hit with other charges, or possibly higher bills than anticipated for installation or repair. You may not necessarily pay for a cheap call, as the money due is distributed elsewhere. 2. Services you don't need. Some companies may convince you to agree to cleanings and inspections that aren't necessary. HVAC experts argue that duct cleaning is one such service. A disreputable company may convince you that regular cleaning guarantees office comfort, whereas experts believe constant duct cleaning does more harm than good. If you feel unsure about a company's best practices, talk to others who also require commercial HVAC installation and repair. From there you may be able to make an informed decision. Catherine Lively is a freelance writer specializing in articles on Virginia commercial HVAC services and Norfolk commercial HVAC services. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Catherine_Lively/19484